Hi, welcome to Meringue. This is Kelly. Today, I'm going to show you how to make simple syrup. It really is that simple. A few things that you'll need. You need equal parts granulated white sugar and water. Really, that's all. You need a pot, and I prefer a wooden spoon to stir. So you're going to add both to a pot, put on high heat, and you're going to stir occasionally. Stir every once in a while. Once it comes to a boil, you want it to come to a rolling boil and let it boil for a minute or so until all the granules of sugar have dissolved. After that, take it off the heat, place on a heat resistant surface, and then you want to cool. After it's cooled, put it in an airtight container and then refrigerate. After that, it's ready to use in cocktails or any other recipe that you need simple syrup. It really is that simple. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, follow, share, and come back to Meringue to see what else we can show you how to make. Thank you.